Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. I am Estro Jen, founder of Moxi Roller Skates, and I want to thank you so much for coming to my very first ever free roller skating lesson live. All right, getting up. I want you to get really close to your sturdy piece of furniture or your wall. We're going to be using the wall to get up if we need to. If you don't need to, I want you to do the 3-step pattern that my friend Vicky Handyside taught me. And it's 1, you rock up on one knee and onto the other foot. 2, you push into the knee bend to stand 3. Now, to get down, we're going to just get as low as we possibly can to the ground, and you can use the wall here to do that, or an ice cream truck. And you're gonna let your feet and your hands go forward as you roll to your soft bits. You don't wanna go to the middle, you don't wanna hit your tailbone, you wanna pick a cheek and go to the soft parts of your body. So we're just gonna repeat this a few times until we're comfortable on each side. So we're gonna go using the wall. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just show you on the other side. We're gonna get down really low, putting our weight into our heels, our upper body forward, our hands going to pick a cheek. 1, 2, 3. Get really, really low. We're picking a cheek, picking a side, but we're first getting as low as possible to lessen the impact of the fall. And we're gonna get down. 1, 2, 3. Once more. Get really, really, really low. We're gonna go to our side body, avoiding our tailbone. Our hands are forward, feet forward. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's how we get up and we get down. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of all the lessons that are gonna be rolling out. I'm so excited to teach you dance moves and ramp moves and street moves. And I can't wait for the day that I can bring my friends so that they can teach you too. All right, thank you very, very much for joining me in my driveway in my backyard. Hope you have a lovely night. All right, signing off, this is Estro Jen. Bye-bye.